Want to streamline your order preparation process? Ordoro's batch pick and pack list feature makes it easy to organize and fulfill orders efficiently. Let me show you how. To print your batch pick and pack lists in Ordoro, start by going to your batch, click Actions, and select Create Pick Pack List from the drop-down menu. A pop-up will appear where you can customize your lists. Choose options like including SKUs, quantities, product names, or product categories to tailor the lists to your needs. You can also adjust your print settings, such as page orientation or paper size, to ensure everything fits perfectly. Once your selections are complete, click Create. A PDF will generate, and you can download it from the Batch menu on the right-hand side. After downloading, review the lists to confirm all items are accurate. Then, print them out and use them to efficiently pick and pack your orders, streamlining your shipping process. That's all it takes. In just a few clicks, you'll save time and keep your order fulfillment running like clockwork. Check it out today with Ordoro.